Okay, today we're going to review the 2.5K dash cam from WOLFBOX. It's the IO3 version, and it's great. Some of the things I want to show you here, we actually shot a video unboxing this and using this product around town to get some good test shots of it. Some amazing features packed into this little, basically USB camera that you can install in your car very easily. So it comes out of the box. You can see here, instruction packet. If you want to go through that, it's going to tell you how to get started from A to Z. And this came in the box with a huge, like cigarette lighter USB cord. So you could plug this in on the minute you get it out of your package. You could plug it right in and have a dash cam ready to go. It comes with everything you need in the box, including obviously the dash cam, the stickers. You will need to buy a SD card, but one of the great things about this camera is it features a loop recording. So even if you have the smallest SD card, when it fills up, it's just going to always continue recording and delete those old videos. And we'll show you what they look like here in a minute. You can see me on this video. I'm also using the WOLFBOX hardwire cable, and this is more of a permanent solution. I thought it was going to be harder to install, but it was actually nearly just as easy as the cigarette lighter USB cam. You can see it here installed in the car. Really hard to notice from outside the car. Like I said, a really small profile. It fits right behind the rear view mirror. And here's some video of me driving around. You can see that 2.5K, beautiful, right? This looks like, like any modern footage that you would have recorded on your phone. What I like about this, like I said, it's sitting right in my car behind the rear view mirror. So I can't see it at all while I'm driving, but this angle, this field of view, you can see everything. We're on a 5-lane road here, and I can see all the way across the road. Or here, what I like is this 4-way stop, right? You can see the bus driver kind of wave me on, just in case something would have happened. Now I've got this on film, and all I have to do is log into my phone. So in order to get this really set up and working the best, you're going to want to pair it with its partner app that WOLFBOX also makes. What you'll do is you'll download the app to your smartphone, and then this camera has its own built-in Wi-Fi. So you'll download the app, you'll connect to the camera's Wi-Fi to kind of establish that bond. And then from there, it's just as simple as anytime the camera's on, you can connect to it while you have the app on your phone, and anything that's recorded and saved on that SD card, you can just choose the files you want to download to your saved photos right on your phone. Otherwise, everything is saved safe on the dash cam itself. Another couple of things we might want to talk about here, this has built-in night vision, so if you do most of your driving at night, or if you just don't happen to be driving when it gets dark out, you're set, you're safe. Of course, you'll have some, headlights and traffic lights and everything, but this is able to pick up details like stop signs, turn signs, license plate numbers while you're doing your night driving. So no loss in quality there. And then maybe the most robust feature in this dash cam is going to be the parking mode. So you can set it, you walk away, it's got power from that USB, whether it's your cigarette lighter, you hardwired it, or even if you just have a USB cable in your car already, you can plug it in and kind of fuss with this thing. And while you're out of the camera, it has a built-in shock sensor. So what that's going to do is now maybe you've left your car, you've gone inside to do some shopping, and someone bumps into your car. This camera is going to record a video and automatically lock it, so it's safe there and it won't get deleted with that loop recording, because it knows that's going to be a video you're going to want to hold on to. So real quick before we finish up, I'm just going to open up my cell phone here and show you what it looks like. We're just going to go to the app right on my phone. And here you can see right in here, I've got some of the files that were recorded on the dash cam. And all I have to do is just drag and open that up, and I could go and I could review footage from earlier in the day. So anyways, long-winded, lots of features packed into this camera, but I think what we're trying to say here is it's definitely worth a look if that's what you're into.